I'm making my classic French onion soup with delicious crispy Dubliner cheese croutons. So you need lots of onions and you need to thinly slice them like I've done these ones. And when you've got all your onions sliced, bring them over to the hob with your lovely salted butter. Pop it onto a medium heat to start off with. And I'm going to melt all this beautiful butter. I mean, the quality of the butter is important in every recipe, especially in this one. And remember, this is all about the onion and getting it really deep and caramelized. So get good quality butter. I love Kerrygold. They're from grass-fed cows, outdoor reared in Ireland, where I'm from. In go all my onions. It looks like an awful lot of onions, which it is. So the onions need to be glistening with butter. And then you put the lid on for 10 to 15 minutes. We want to soften it all down and sweat it with the steam that's going to be created by the heat. So they've been sweating for 15 minutes and they're beautiful and soft. Come here and have a look. So they need to be this soft, followed by a teaspoon of brown sugar, and that's just going to help it caramelize. Put in my seaweed black pepper and a big pinch of sea salt. So this time I leave the lid off, stirring constantly while this browns up and gets gorgeous and caramelly. So I have a beautiful bunch of dried oregano that I keep near my cooker, and I'm just going to sprinkle a little bit of it on top of the onions. But you could do finely chopped rosemary, you could do finely chopped thyme, which would be beautiful in it as well. It just gives it that added depth of flavour. Just brings in something else. I'm getting my Dubliner cheese crunchy croutons on the go. So you want to slice up some sourdough bread and then cube them to about this size. Pop them on a roasting tray, just doing enough to serve 4. And then I pop my grated Dubliner cheese into a bowl with some melted Kerrygold butter. And then I just dab my little croutons in the mixture, pop them onto a roasting tray or a baking tray, and then they go into the oven to get lovely and crispy and gooey for the top. But I'm not going to put these in the oven until I'm ready to serve because they only take like 5 to 10 minutes in the oven. So my onions are beautifully caramelized, lovely and golden brown. And then I'm adding in some good quality beef stock. Now, if you're vegetarian and you want to use a vegetable stock, you can do. I mean, it is better with beef broth. So all my beef broth is in. I'm going to bring it to the boil and then let it simmer for about 15 minutes. And then it's done. Popping my Dubliner cheese croutons into the oven for just like 5 to 10 minutes. And the French onion soup is done. Oh, the deep caramel smells are so beautiful. And then the lovely crunchy croutons. This will add such great flavour and texture too, with the crunchy sourdough bread and the melting Dubliner cheese on top. My classic French onion soup with Dubliner cheese croutons. Oh, so good. I cannot wait to have this, and I bet you can't either. The recipe is below. Make sure you comment and let me know how you get on. Have a look at the other playlists for starters, main course and dessert, and I will see you soon back here in my kitchen. Lots of love.